guys, your boy Ramanda here.
This is your boy Kevin from KLS.
Alright, so today we're doing a, what do I call this now? Hot pepper challenge.
Hot pepper challenge.
Alright, I know from time.
Jamaican way.
Yeah.
Real hot pepper challenge.
Alright, from time to time, you hear that like people are doing this challenge, right? And they say that they go to the extreme when it's just that they just buy the hot pepper noodle and that's it. Yeah? This time, we're overdo it. We're Jamaicans, so overdo it.
Me overdo it.
So, here, okay, we have the top ramen, the chili flavor, hot flavor. See it? Alright. We'll overkill it now. You know what this? Pepper sauce.
Grease pepper sauce.
Grease pepper sauce. Alright. Put this in your food. Your tongue dance.
Oh, no, the kill it never that.
And we have the Jamaican peppers.
Crunchy pepper.
Country pepper. Old time, hey, when you come to Jamaica, man, you know, and if you're a Jamaican, you know already. You go in a country and you whop this up in your walk. What you call
curry
it?
goat. Your curry goat.
In a pili curry goat.
Pili.
Well, me hear say pili mean tin mackerel. I'm not sure how that one they go. So yeah, country pepper. Let we do it. Alright, because we're Jamaicans, the pepper are really hot. Yeah, really hot. Don't take it lightly. We can say, no, we just put 3 in there. I want more.
No, we had to be here, we say.
Alright, so alright, bust this. Alright, take off them here. Yeah. Oh yeah, like as I said, these are really hot. So like if you even like cut it, finger touch it, sometimes like I don't know whether the aroma from it or so, it burns the eye like or you know if you're really sensitive. So alright, first I'm gonna deal with that.
No, my mom is going to do yourself.
Yeah, I use a knife, that's why, bro.
Oh.
Alright. So you spot it there?
This nigga's crazy.
So you spot it there?
I'm not going to see him on.
We overdo it. See cock here?
One pepper that. Mando. You want to eat this enough? You might tell you when I'm going to finish this.
You mock already.
No, I'm up the challenge, but
Why mock already?
I'm going to tell you it's a rough.
Yeah, it's all rough. That's rough.
Alright.
Nothing wrong.
Alright. Listen, tell me what's that. Look now. I'm going to kill you and kill me.
What's your man beard?
Are good?
Show no man.
Mando. You know the fish I hear with Mando.
Yeah.
Mando. Alright. Brother, you smell that, brother? No, I'm not going to.
You know what? Let me see now. We just put in 2.
Mando, one is enough.
We have put in 2.
Mando.
Money and cry. How I go for you?
Come on, pepper taste.
I'll do something for.
But I still not put too much pepper in there, but I stick in your palm, you know.
Anyways. Ready? Alright, so 2. Yeah, man. What the next one?
Maybe I'll give you one then.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
you're an attack.
I don't know which one hotter. I want to say hot. You see it? Mine is bone off your nose.
Yeah. Look at smell is strength tonight, don't see.
Smell is strength tonight. See, you look the weakest
Oh,
one.
this weaker.
Alright.
Mando, you're crazy nigga.
First.
Be ready. My see them now one, so you see them there.
Oh, okay.
Tell them
You
boy.
say You put the seed in a field.
Look.
Alright.
All man see them in there.
Alright. So the whole thing may drop in there.
The seed, we put on a gallstone. Love it, pepper seed.
Don't come back. Alright. Yeah, be in mind the seed for the peppers they're not good to, consume.
Alright, so I'm not putting the next one there. Alright.
Yeah. But as I said, we're not putting the next one, but
The first one done gone by already.
yeah.
Seed. No more. I'm not putting no more Mando. You want to talk about tree, you're sticking in your head. Mando, we can't eat one of this. Mando, you know pepper strong? Mando, you ever eat pepper before? You say pepper in that? Well, tell me you Mando.
You're right,
I'm going to eat it to follow you. That's the next thing.
Now, can you go doctor? Oh?
Not wrong.
I beg go.
Wrong.
Oh God.
Alright.
Mistake I bring me. My man think I manage me. No, me I eat that tonight.
Make sure so the seed come out.
Mando, with tongue, I chop out with head. With tongue, I go jump out.
Alright, so guys, we're finished with this. So, for this.
With one side too. And I'm like, Mando, that is a hot Mando, dog.
You think with that joke?
No, man. Come look at this one, dog.
What the blood? Anyways.
So we're about to start. I think this guy is crazy. But me crazy here because me a follow him. So, let's dive in.
This is how you know when your friendship very strong. Just don't think about it, you see.
Mix up.
Yeah, no, that no, man. Taste nothing, no taste nothing.
So you was the first.
Me. Alright,
All on
Oi.
rough.
Rough.
I don't taste it.
It's gritty. You alright?
When I done this, no man. I see it was still.
Yeah. Jamaican thing. I always say food.
Take a little look in the car, you know.
How actually can eat it upstairs?
Yeah, there. No, what for do?
Oi, where do?
No, no, for the way.
Oh, alright, you think?
No, you think that pass it, you better put up your. Give you from the pipe. Watch out for the Mando. Me touch me eye, remember touch me eye? Yeah, bono!
As I said, if you touch it, you put it anywhere, or it could even have the near your eye, it burns. It really burns.
It's a demon again right now.
So you want to go in and wash your face?
Really, man. Apa tu? Nak touch lagi, apa tu? I'm not eating any pepper there. Oh.
Pepper all
Yeah,
in this.
see, sir.
Pepper by itself. So we do it. Live now, die later. And you see me, my eyes are foggy. Well,
Yo, man, bono.
you think are you alone? Imagine, me come up with this to do it. Overdose it, And me go lose, you must be mad. Oh God.
No, watch out. Hey, imagine, in the heat in Jamaica right now.
I
But I
sweat.
this what I want now. No, man. It's rough, G, it's rough. Oh yeah, there's a vase. Yeah, but more am I one?
Alright, you know, team strategy, pour up and eat it fast, right? Little by little, don't work so.
Alright.
You take up everything
Alright, see that?
and swallow the pepper. Alright. See it up? Pepper on top of pepper. Oh my God. Comment below if you want a next challenge like this here.
I'm foolish. I should have joined him.
We have a saying in Jamaica, you see? I don't know if it's only in Jamaica, but like how we do this, the pepper. Sorry for when you go bathroom. That's the saying.
When him next say bo. Fala monkey can't go country.
You're definitely right. Look how the man is sweating now, sir.
No, after you pepper that's why my youth.
What if other than food?
No, nobody after.
In soft, a soft, in soft.
No man, look on yes man, look on yes look on.
Hey guys, I don't know if you can see the difference from there. I'm showing you. Noodles are practically done. And then it's water left.
Oh God.
Oi! No sir. Ready?
You won. Yeah, you should just survive. Nothing to do with left on that one.
Be in mind, the pepper them the pan top of your water and I drink it. I'm going to mouth. I don't want your man, yo!
You were chatting with the cool with that. I'm gonna was burn me.
My nose all sweat.
PG-13. Yeah, I'm gonna strip us and get look at here. Woo!
Later on, it's my neck. Look red. Me red. That's what's a doctor mates. Wait! No, sir. Come on. Yeah, man. Hey, man.
Go file by it.
Just really little bottom. Here, hold on, pause. No? What's presentation for nose, nose?
Like you going off the
The camera still around?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I forget another napkin. Because,
Mando,
Yeah?
you should have like 1 milk to drink after this.
you know,
No, yeah.
woo!
Alright. You know the worst thing about this, guys? We now literally drink nothing for cool this down later on. But we don't have no milk. What else can you take to get rid of it?
Eh?
Jesus, God. You know what's a brain, man. What else them say you have to drink to get rid of it?
What?
Pepper.
Some can do that pepper. When I'm eat sugar. Liquor.
Sugar.
Liquor, you know.
That makes sense.
You know, we're feeling liquor.
Oh, you need this one keep out the sugar out of the place.
I guess that's that then.
This guy's some win.
No.
Go easy.
Wait, what are the powers, sir? Which one drop the hook first?
Done. Done.
Pepper in that. Look. Pepper in there.
We not
Look,
eat the pepper.
Pepper. What?
We not eat the pepper down in bottom, brother. We'll finish the soup.
Brother, look at my plate. There's no pepper left. Oh.
Alright. This bread on me.
That's me a bun up, so you not bun up. Oh, okay, yes, so the boy is going to get killed.
Done.
Huh?
Done. We're done. We are the winner. Boss.
Alright, I buck up. I can't jump more, man. If you man make up some man, I'm going to write this up. That's what I mean.
How are you, man?
Tell me more.
Alright.
Yeah, don't do it fast. Come. Woo.
Alright, guys. That's it for today's challenge. Before we go to hospital later on. So, no. Signing off from Raman the Green and
This is Kevin from KLS.
Alright, guys. I want one of you guys to
Not one. All of you. Anybody.
yeah, we do this challenge.
And tag us.
Exactly how we do it or overdo it.
Me overdo it.
You
2
see?
pepper.
3 pepper.
What?
Pepper. That's if you overdo it, you see. We don't want you to kill yourself. But, hype, man.
We're out.
That's it.